Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is our today's topic. I shall be teaching you that how can you convert the given sentence of past perfect tense from its active voice form into passive voice form. In order to convert the given sentence of past perfect tense from its active voice form into passive voice form, we follow certain rules. They are just four in number. The first rule is that the object takes the position of the subject and the subject is placed in the position of the object. We add had been as the auxiliary verb in the passive voice sentence. We always use third form of the verb along with by. And lastly, the pronouns are converted. See the example. We had taken tea. In this sentence, had taken suggests that this sentence is written in active voice form and it's the past perfect tense. We shall now apply all these four rules in order to convert this given sentence into its passive voice form. We here is the subject and tea here is the object. We shall interchange their position and our sentence becomes tea had been taken by us. In the given sentence, tea was at the place of the object. So in the passive voice sentence, we took it out in the start of the sentence in the place of the subject. Had been is the compulsory addition as it is mentioned in the rule number 2. Then we have added the third form of the verb along with by as mentioned in the rule number 3, and we has been converted into us as mentioned in the point number 4. Here is another sentence. We had not taken tea. You can notice that not here suggests that this sentence is written in the active voice form of past perfect tense. And here is its passive voice form. Tea had not been taken by us. We have added not after had. See the third sentence, which is in interrogative form, and it's the active voice form of past perfect tense. Had we taken tea? It becomes had the tea been taken by us? Let's do some exercise. This is the first sentence. I had written a poem. In this sentence, I is the subject, had is the auxiliary verb, written is the third form of the verb, and a poem is the object. We shall apply all those four rules about which I have just told you in order to convert this given sentence into its passive voice form. And it becomes a poem had been written by me. You can see that in the given sentence, a poem was the object. So in its passive voice form, we will take it out in the start of the sentence in the place of the subject. We add had been. Written and by are the compulsory addition that we do in all kinds of passive voice sentences. And I becomes me in the passive voice sentence. Here is the second example. He had not broken the rule. Now this sentence is written in the negative form and it's the passive voice form. Rule had not been broken by him. He has been converted into him. Here is the interrogative sentence in its active voice form. Had I taken your pen? It becomes, had your pen been taken by me? I had slept in the room. This is the fourth sentence. Now you can notice that in this sentence, I is the subject, had is the auxiliary verb, which suggests that this is the past perfect tense. Slept is the form of the verb. In the room here is not the object, it is the extension. So we cannot convert this sentence into its passive voice form because the sentence does not have an object. Here is the fifth sentence. The boy had not ironed his clothes. And it's the passive voice form. His clothes had not been ironed by the boy. You can either omit it or write it in the bracket. Here is the sixth sentence. Had you made tea? And its passive voice sentence is, had the tea been made by you? I hope you have understood the whole concept. Now I want you to convert the following sentences of past perfect tense into their passive voice form. Take your time and convert these sentences. And after you have done your work, I want you to send your solutions to me in the comment box in order to get your work checked. Thank you for watching. See you with another video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.